Hi friends, when there is so many different things in my studio waiting for being cleaned. This is 30 years old bike, you know already, new, but 30 years old. I need something that will allow me to clean it very well. You see how shiny it is, but also very fast. Then, boom, this is the thing. This is the steam cleaner Karcher SC4, 2000 watts. Very fast, very efficient, high temperature of the steam. And in this one, see now when it's standing, the temperature goes too low. It will make the steam inside itself once again, so that when I push that button, we'll do it in a second, it will go really nicely. You can buy SC3 or some lower models, but remember the lower models will have lower power, but also a smaller reservoir for the water. So you'll have to fill it out more often. But also there are like two. This one is for the cold water. I'm putting the water right here. It takes the water, some of it takes inside and makes steam of it. So it doesn't work like on demand. When you are pushing the button, the cold water is being turned into steam like that. No, the steam is already here inside this thing. So the smaller the reservoir for the steam also inside, the more often you will have just to wait until the temperature is high enough. I can recommend this thing for everyone who wants to clean the tails in the house. The seals in your washing machine. It's amazing for such a job without any chemicals, just clean water. This is one of the parts I just cleaned up. This is the front wheel, very clean. It takes about 1 minute to clean it, everything. This one is before. So it's going to be clean in a second, but the front one was much worse. You will see that just in a second. I'm showing it right now. When you need to clean things that are difficult to get to, you would use different like brushes, different method to get into the flanges, into those spokes and the heads of those spokes. Steam cleaner gets everywhere super quickly, and also it will heat up the part it's cleaning so that the water will evaporate. So it doesn't stay inside. For example, when you clean let's say the lowers of the front suspension, the water will not stay inside. The steam will just go away if you heat it up long enough. So this is really good stuff. I can really recommend you the Karcher SC4. Now I'm gonna just show you how it works. We put the water here, off, on. When it's blinking, it means it is heating up the water. When it stays like that, it means it's ready to go. Red and some like audio alarm will indicate that you need to put more water in it. I'm using this because when you're not using it for some minutes, of course, here in the pipe or in this pistol, the water, the steam will turn into water. So first, I'm gonna just get rid of the water. Now it's ready to go. This is locked now. This is the first level. And now the second level. You can really even feel the pressure. It's not like pressure washer, but many things you'll be able to clean without even touching it. You can see that the cleaner itself isn't very clean. So getting there with the brushes or with the cloth, the rag would be difficult. See what the steam will do. See, many things are already gone. So this is really super quick way. Of course, you need to use a cloth to get rid of the water here, but it gets clean very, very fast. So I'm really liking it. For old tails, amazing thing. No chemicals, just clean water. It works beautifully, as you can see also on my wheel. For detailing, it's amazing. So I do recommend it, guys, because you see me doing it very often. Some of you, especially on my Polish channel, were asking about it. So there you go, steam cleaner. Very handy tool if you're gonna use it quite often. That's it. See you in the next one, because this Scott will be assembled today, and then my cross-country bike will get a super light 1000 grams fork ready for the XC Nationals next week on Sunday, August 16th. See you guys. Oh, one more thing. Your cat will really appreciate if you first let him out of the house and then use this thing.